Hi, my name is Frank Santos of Vanco, and we're introducing our new family of flat panel display wall mounts. These are great solutions to mount any size display with options for fixed, tilt, articulating, and pop-out functionality. A new video wall option is also available for 37 to 70-inch displays that includes a pop-out function and the ability to interconnect additional mounts together for a larger video wall application. With multiple options and features, all of these mounts are a great solution for mounting any size display and are available now. At Vanco, we strive to provide solutions that meet the needs of the professional AV integrator, so thanks for taking the time to learn more about our exciting new products. For more information, visit us at vanco1.com and stay up to date with the latest solutions from Vanco, Evolution, Beale Street Audio, and Pulse Audio.